up, babes? Welcome back to the channel. So I am back with another wig review from Asteria Hair, and I went ahead and got me a 5x5 closure wig, and it came with so much stuff in the box. And if you don't know by now, I love me some free gifts, honey. So the wig that I will be reviewing is the long curly wig, and it's their invisible HD lace front, and I got her in 24 inches, and she is also 180% density. Honey, I could have sworn this wig was 200% density, as full and thick as this is. So here's the inside of the cap construction. She comes with your elastic band and 3 combs. So let's get these edges slicked back and put this wig on. I cannot wait to try this on for you all to see how this looks. Not only that, this wig that I am reviewing is beginner friendly, so if you are the type of girly that don't like to hassle with the glue and the adhesive sprays, all that stuff, this wig is definitely for you. All you need, child, is a pair of scissors and chop that lace off. So now that I have my wig cap on, I'm just going to place a little bit of my makeup on the wig cap, that where the wig can give pure scalp. So you always want to make sure that your foundation is either matching your complexion, or it can be a shade or two darker than your complexion. Either or, you want to make sure you have some type of color into the lace. And the same base color that I use for my wig cap, I'm also going to put into my wig lace. I ordered this wig in a cap size large, and she is definitely big head friendly. And you can also adjust the wig to your liking if you want to make the wig more snug or a little bit looser, just by using the elastic band. And the wig comes just like this straight out the box. I did not have to do anything. I mean, she already comes pre-plucked. The part is already there. I mean, wow, like I ain't gotta do nothing. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of, you know, straighten the roots just a little bit, because I like the top of my wig to be flat. And I'm just gonna spray a little water in the hair, add some moisturizer, and I'll be back with my final thoughts and commentary on this segment. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And if you are interested in what wig I'm wearing in this video, I will also have the link down in the description below, that where you can check it out.
Truck. Oh, you want to wall it out my hole. Oh, you want to line it all up. Hey, I want to play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you trying to steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field, not the field. Hey, you want to spill in the spill. Hey, you not real niggas is. Rose Rush still on the field. Yo, yo.
Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them
High
up.
volume.
Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. Cross them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Turn these streets can't cross. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. Cross them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Turn these streets can't cross. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. Cross them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your click up, dog.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keepin' it street. We keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it cost? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. Boss them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. When my dog get low in his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga. We get it. We splitting it up. If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I'll take her ass shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on business, standing on bitches, ain't nothing to pipe that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. Ain't nothing, shit. We turn the jewel.
So here is the finished product. Girl, buy it. Like, literally took me less than 6 minutes. Just buy it. When I tell you this hair was fabulous the moment I took it out the box, the hair is soft, the hair has no smell, the curl pattern is gorgeous. The wig is already pre-plucked, pre-bleached. I mean, I usually bleach my knots in my wigs, not for this one. Surprisingly, she looks pretty good. I did not have to do anything to this wig. And the hair is thick, like This hair has so much fullness, so much realness. I did not expect for this wig to be 180. It's so thick. So far so good. I gotta give this wig a 10 out of 10. This is literally the best deep curly wig I've ever received. And it took me no time to get this wig on. I know that's right. But make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.
Walk through the club with an F and N in this bitch.
Got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo.